Hello and Namaste. Welcome to a new video. My name is Anamika Rana and I am a tarot card reader and astronumerologist and also a Vastu consultant. In today's video, we will talk about how with the right guidance of numerology, you can actually enhance the vibrations, the energies of abundance and cash inflow in your life using the right means. You must have heard that there is a common saying, where people mention this particular sentence that मेरा दिमाग कुछ कहता है, मेरा दिल कुछ कहता है and मैं समझ नहीं पाता हूँ कि किस तरीके से आगे बढ़ना है. Well, the good news is that through this video, I will help you to balance out the thoughts of your mind and the feelings of your heart. Well, let me stop beating around the bush and come straight to the point. I actually want to share a very interesting remedy with you all through the medium of numerology. You will be able to train your mind in a subconscious manner in order to attract the right flow of abundance in your life. When we talk about numerology, the first thing that comes to our mind is that, okay, it's a science where we predict things, but wait, let me rectify. It is not just a prediction, it is a proper guidance where if you understand the vibrations of each and every digit, each and every symbol in numerology, you can actually use them in the right manner in your life, not just for your wealth and abundance, but for your relationships, for a good health and for a proper peace of mind as well. Now, when it comes to money, when it comes to business growth or job prosperity or overall enhancement in your abundance in your life, there are two numbers, 2 and 4. These two numbers, when put in a combination together, give the vibration of number 6. That is the number of Venus. Now, what you have to do is, first of all, you need to understand why I am specifically mentioning the numbers 2 and 4. Let me break it down for you. Number 2 is the number which resonates with the vibrations of moon. I know moon is a satellite, but in astrology we call it a planet, okay? We refer to it as a planet, okay? So number 2 resonates with the vibrations of moon, and just like moon, the energies of moon, number 2 also has the vibrations of following your heart, going with the emotions, feeling really good about whatever you are doing, feeling contented, feeling happy, okay? And number 4 is all about Rahu. That is your thoughts, your mind, your brain, your conscious, your subconscious, everything to do with this particular area, this particular part of your body. So number 4 is for Rahu, where we talk about, which actually signifies how you are thinking about a particular situation, your thoughts, the way you plan out a particular task in your life. So number 4 is very important because this is how it controls our life. Now, when you add up number 2 plus number 4, it gives you number 6, which is actually known as the number of luxury, because it is all about the vibrations of planet Venus. And if you actually look through a telescope in the sky, you will see that if you ever happen to spot Venus, you will see it more like shining like a small diamond in the sky, which is why we have always connected the energies of money with the energies of Venus. इसलिए हम उसको शुक्र बोलते हैं, शुक्र देवता का नाम उसको दिया गया है, so that we can connect the vibrations of money and gratitude together as well. So 2 plus 4 is number 6. Now the question is that, okay, I got the logic of how these numbers work, but how to use it? Well, you have to actually use this combination of 24, 2 and 4 together in any area of your house or of your workspace where you sit and work for the maximum amount of time, okay? It could be maybe in front of your working desk. Suppose if you have a small cubicle, or if you have a small area in your office, you can actually put this number 24 in front of yourself. If you are a person who owns a factory, then you can actually put this number 24 at the entrance of your factory or somewhere around your working area again. Remember one thing, number 24 is to do with your finances and your prosperity. It is not to do with the relationships. So avoid keeping this number 24 inside a bedroom or inside the main hall of a house. It only has to be kept in the working area, okay? That is one thing. Now, one more important thing I want to bring to your notice is the color, the color of the background. Number 24 has to be written in a white color and the background has to be blue. Okay, there are some people whom I've also seen using the red background, which is absolutely fine, but to be on the safe side, you should always try to use a blue background for number 24. Okay, so this is how you will use the number 24 in order to attract prosperity, financial inflow, financial gains in your life. Even people who are there who are actively trading in the stock market, even y'all can keep it in front of yourself, because you might not be having a working area. You work from your phone or from your laptop. You can actually keep this as your wallpaper of your laptop or even your cell phone as well. So that is your working area basically. So yeah, this is a very simple basic tip about using the number 24 in your life in order to enhance the vibrations of money and financial gains. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to come up with more of such kind of tips on numerology for different aspects of your life. And also if you really are receptive towards the flow of abundance, comment below with an affirmation: I am allowing abundance in my life. I am allowing abundance in my life. And on this positive note, I will now end this video. I will see you soon again. Take care. Namaste.